Zimbabwe national and local governments are breathtakingly greedy, self-serving and corrupt. Sanapinda pachine chishamiso chashamisa vanhu vachiona kuti avo vakomana velocal governance ava vari kuhoresana nekupanana mari dzinosvika kuma10,000 12,000 US dollars but vachisiya ufe yemacitizens aiwa iri in a dire state. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda panapa tuna vakomana veopposition vaReverend Nelson Chamisa vachifumura zvese zvinodiwa subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Vachipindura pane this post yamuri kuona iyi vanoendera mberi vachitaura mashoko ekuti the whole system needs to be eradicated one time and all these characters put to community service for life to fix their done mess and repay a third to society of what they have corrupted, misgoverned, stolen, mismanaged, despicable plot. Vanga vachiva vachipindura pane this post yamuri kuona yakanzi Harare City Executive Matthew Marara denies 350,000 US dollar payout claims, admits earning 12,000 US dollars a month. Beyond the issues surrounding his suspension and reinstallment, Marara admitted to earn a salary of 12,000 US dollars per month, along with numerous allowances. These include representation, house, motor vehicle, education, airtime, entertainment, medical aid, golf, driver, and security benefits. However, Marara caused amusement in the gallery when he attended to backtrack on his earlier admission, attributing his statements to a toothache. Tomashoko anouya panapa amuri kuona achipostiwa nethis picture rake vanhu vachiti aiwa vakomana ava aiwa they are surely shocking. Noda kuti munhu anouya achiti aiwa anoena 12,000 plus US dollars each and every month, but you know kuti welfare yemacitizens vari vakomana velocal governance ichionekwa ichingoramba ichingodhakwa. Zvaitudze mafunguro enyu watodii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, sit on the bell icon.